Effective time management is crucial for tech professionals aiming to excel in their careers. Start by identifying your most productive hours and schedule your most demanding tasks during these periods. Utilize tools like project management software to keep track of deadlines and milestones. Prioritize tasks using techniques such as the Eisenhower Matrix, which helps you focus on what's urgent and important. Break larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed and to track progress more easily. Incorporating regular breaks into your schedule can enhance focus and productivity. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to balance work and rest. Set clear, achievable goals for the day, week, and month to maintain direction and motivation. Avoid multitasking, as it can reduce the quality of your work and increase stress levels. Instead, focus on one task at a time to ensure thorough completion. Continuous learning and skill development are crucial in tech, so allocate time for these activities regularly. Remember, effective time management is a skill that can be developed with practice. Call 678-627-2796 or go to ltvacademy.com for more information.